What's up, guys? You're welcome to 2025. I am glad that you make it to 2025 and I'm happy to see you guys. Okay, so very quickly, I want to share three tips that can make you to make your first million in this 2025. If you are a crypto lover and if if you are been farming, you have been doing testnets, you have been doing all these things, and you are not making it, I want to share the secrets that can make you your first million in 2025. Okay, the first thing is that you need to follow what is trending. That is the first thing that you need to do. Follow what is trending. Follow what is trending. That is the first thing. At the end of this video, I will tell you what is trending that you need to follow. Okay, now the second thing is that you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent in what you are doing. There are different ways you can earn money in this crypto space. Number one is maybe you are doing participating in testnets, maybe you are doing farming, maybe you are doing all this node mining on PC, and maybe you are investing, you are trading fixtures. There are so many ways, or maybe you are just a marketer and any other thing. There are so many ways. So whatsoever you find yourself, make sure you are consistent and follow what is trending. Okay, so another way to achieve success is to build a community. You need to start building your community, or you join a community. Okay, is either you start building your own community, or you should. Nobody will tell you this. Nobody, no influencer will tell you this. I'm just telling you for free that you should start building your own community, or you should join a community, a large community of people, and follow what is trending in the community. Okay, you can join this, join that, and be active. For this page, I have a Facebook page, Miracle Web 3 on Facebook. The same thing on TikTok. I also have a channel on YouTube, Smart Money TV. On Telegram, we have a group. On WhatsApp, we also have a group. It's an interactive group. You can ask questions, you can contribute, and all likes. And we also drop updates. So now, what is trending in 2025? What is trending in 2025? What has been trending in 2024? In 2024, that is the last quarter of 2024, we realized that node mining is what is trending. And those that are having PC are the ones cashing out. Those that have PC and those that have a very rich community. So that is why I said you need to start building your own community so that you're not be left behind. Now, node mining, we have different types of node mining now. The likes of Node Pay, the likes of this one I'm doing here, Mish Chain. I have different types here on my PC. I've been sharing some on my Facebook. That is Miracle Web 3 on Facebook. You can go to Facebook and search for Miracle Web 3. You will see the one I've dropped so far. Node, based on node, testnets, Telegram farming, and all that. So make sure you are consistent in what you are doing. Make sure you follow what is trending, and make sure you have your own community or you join a large community. And let us work hand in hand. Let us work hand in hand this year so that we can achieve success together. So guys, that is the word I have for you today. Make sure you are consistent. Make sure you are consistent in this space so that you can achieve success. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, YouTube. Let us connect. Let us work hand in hand. See you in my next video.